After more than 4 decades of service, Italy's iconic MB-339 trainer aircraft has officially been retired from frontline training duty, replaced by the advanced M-345, now designated as the T-345A by the Italian Air Force. The official transition took place at Galatina Air Base, home of the 61st Wing, with a ceremonial event attended by military leadership and Leonardo, the manufacturer of the new aircraft. This shift marks a milestone in Italy's military aviation training, with the T-345A assuming the key role in Phase 2 and Phase 3 pilot instruction. The new aircraft, developed at Leonardo's facility in Venegono Superiore, brings modern systems and enhanced efficiency to the training process. The event also highlighted Leonardo's digital training solutions, including its embedded tactical training system, ETTS, and ground-based training system, GBTS. The ceremony featured a symbolic aerial display where an aging T-339A gracefully separated from a trio of sleek T-345s, signifying the end of an era and the dawn of a new chapter. 6 T-345A units are currently based at Galatina, joined by various training aircraft and a historical exhibition showcasing the MB-339's storied legacy, which includes over 400,000 flight hours logged training both Italian and foreign pilots. As a tribute, a T-339A control stick mounted on Lecce limestone was gifted to the 61st Wing's commander. The first 5 instructors have completed training on the new platform, joining 4 previously qualified. Meanwhile, a class of 6 student pilots, 4 Italians and 2 from allied nations, will commence training on the T-345A in July 2025. The M-345 offers modernized capabilities, replacing the MB-339's legacy systems with a digital glass cockpit featuring multifunction displays, a head-up display, and HOTAS controls. The aircraft is powered by a Williams International FJ44-4M34 turbofan, capable of cruising at nearly 787 km per hour at 20,000 feet. Its structural lifespan of 15,000 flight hours and emphasis on low maintenance costs make it an economical yet high-performance choice. The M-345 is not just a trainer, it is also configured to carry out light combat duties. It can be equipped with air-to-air missiles, bombs, rockets, and gun pods across 4 underwing pylons, providing over 1,000 kilograms of payload capacity. Leonardo designed the platform to blend live and synthetic training environments. ETTS enables pilots to rehearse combat scenarios against simulated threats in real-time flight conditions, supported further by GBTS for mission planning and simulation. Additional onboard systems include GPS/INS navigation, radar altimetry, IFF, TAS, and TCAS. The aircraft supports both day and night operations and is compatible with night vision gear. Optional enhancements include an embedded simulation suite, digital moving maps, and a stores management system. Maintenance is simplified through features like pressure refueling, OBOGs, onboard oxygen generation system, and integrated HUMS, health and usage monitoring system, which continuously assesses aircraft condition to streamline support. Though the T-345A is now handling Phase 2 training, Phase 3 will continue on the MB-339CD for the time being until the transition is fully complete. Meanwhile, the 214th Squadron has been assigned to operate the new fleet, while several MB-339 airframes have been retired or relocated to storage. The M345's origins can be traced back to the SM Marchetti S.211 from the early 1980s. Through multiple redesigns, including its time as the M311, the aircraft evolved into the M345 in 2012 with new materials, upgraded engines, and digital avionics. Its official production model first flew in December 2018. International interest in the M345 has grown, with Leonardo marketing the aircraft to countries such as France, Chile, and South Africa as a modern alternative to legacy trainers like the Alpha jet. In Italy, it joins the M346 in a seamless training pipeline designed to prepare pilots for 4th to 6th generation fighter aircraft. The MB-339 it replaces had a notable service life, originating in the 1970s as a follow-up to the MB-326. It gained combat experience in conflicts like the Falklands and Eritrean-Ethiopian Wars and served prominently with Italy's Tricolori aerobatic team. Despite updates and various roles, from basic training to air-to-air refueling instruction, the MB-339's obsolescence eventually necessitated the introduction of a more modern and cost-effective platform. With the M-345 now officially in service, Italy's military pilot training has entered a new era, aligning with the evolving demands of next-generation air power.